Before there was Beat Bobby Flay, there was Iron Chef Flay. You guys remember that? And tonight, I'm going back to my roots. Please welcome two members of the Iron Chef family. Iron Chef Guarnaschelli and the toughest judge of all time, Simon Majumdar.
You know, there's no rainbows and unicorns. There's nothing. It's just the food. Our first contender is the winner of Iron Chef Gauntlet. Her only regret is that she didn't beat you, Bobby.
Yet.
Say hello to the newest Iron Chef, Stephanie Izard.
Bobby, our next contender has beat you before, and he's back to do it again. Please welcome fellow Iron Chef, Jose Garces.
Bobby. Stephanie, Jose, welcome. I know you're here to get the job done. First, you must go through each other.
Awesome.
I'm gonna give you guys 20 minutes to make an ingredient of my choice, the star of your dish. And that ingredient is onions. Oh. And in the words of the chairman, a la cuisine.
So I'm making an onion pakora, which is basically an Indian fritter with caramelized onion creme and a onion kimchi.
I'm gonna make a French onion soup to bring that melted, slow-cooked onion flavor to the forefront. So onions and bacon go into the cast iron skillet. The bacon adds a little smokiness.
Jose covering that with a tray. It's a way to get them caramelized and steamed at the same time.
Keep going, baby.
Great technique, great flavors.
Now I'm gonna make my fritter, which is chickpea flour, rice flour, and baking soda. Season it with cumin, coriander, and some turmeric. Add in the raw onions, bring the batter together.
A little bit of onion going on here.
Yeah, trying to make this sort of Indian-inspired pakora.
Now, you are a bold woman. Simon Majumdar is your judge, and you're going at Indian food?
Thank you for just pointing that out.
This is my Indian food that I love, so it's a challenge.
In the soup base, I've put beef stock, fresh thyme, butter, and start to marry those flavors.
10 minutes.
I want to add a little bit more acidity and spice to the dish, so I'm gonna take some kimchi and onions and make sort of a vinaigrette.
I ladle some of the onions and broth into the bowl. I put the crouton on top. I put the cheese on top. Let's hope the cheese melts.
So I have my onion crema, some of my kimchi, top it with a few fritters, and then garnish with some scallions.
50 seconds to go.
It's not really getting as hot as I'd like. I grab a torch and I start just manually torching them.
God, I can't. What?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's insane. You do that in 20 minutes. You guys are crazy. Good job.
Thank you.
Chef Stephanie, tell us what you made.
An onion pakora with onion crema and a onion kimchi.
I really like that you cut the onions in all different sizes and shapes, because when you get a bite of everything in your mouth, you're getting a lot of variance on the same ingredient. The kimchi is great. I like the onion fritter. It just feels like the onion is a little undercooked.
I do agree with Alex. The onions are a little bit undercooked, but I got that scent of the spices, just remind me of home, so I love that. And you've got the crunch. Pakora is all about that initial crunch.
Jose, tell us what you made.
Well, I made my take of a French onion soup.
You got this just thick, rich, delicious onion flavor, but it hasn't really got that gratinade that we wanted on top, which I think you need on a great French onion soup.
It's just kind of old school, under the radar versus creative, but the broth tastes really good. By developing unbelievable caramelization with bacon in such a short time, you're crafty.
And the Iron Chef who will be moving forward to beat Iron Chef Flay is Chef Jose Garces.
All right.
Next time.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Jose, I think you're one of the best chefs in the world, but I'm gonna try to take you down today because you're here for blood.
All right, all right. Wow.
So why don't you let us know what we're cooking tonight?
My signature dish is seafood paella.
Oh my God.
Great challenge.
I know you can cook a hell of a paella, so I thought let's throw the cards on the table and
I love it.
yeah.
My arms are crossed already.
Alex and I are not going to be the judges for this round.
Instead, 3 culinary professionals will choose the winner in a blind taste test.
You'll have 45 minutes to pull off the best seafood paella you've ever made. And your time starts now.
So typically, a seafood paella has clams, mussel, shrimp with saffron rice. However, on the coast, they call this paella negra, which is made with squid ink broth. So I have some lobster stock and that squid ink, and it really brings the seafood forward. So the first thing I want to do is caramelize some onions and chorizo. Chorizo is going to bring me a little smoke and definitely a Spanish flavor profile.
I've cooked a lot of paella in my life. I think it's one of the best dishes in the world because it has so much going on, but it all makes sense. So I'm making a shellfish paella with a saffron and chorizo rice with a steamed egg and a saffron lemon aioli. My strategy is to actually cook the rice separately, and this way I'll be able to control the texture of the rice, which is really key. So to build my rice, I cook chorizo. It just gives it a little bit of heat, and then I add the onions. I add the rice, saffron, shrimp, and lobster stock.
My paella is looking good. I add peas, piquillo peppers, and squid, and then I cover those pans with foil and put them into the oven.
I'll be back. I'll be back. So your technique, classic paella pan, rice, all the seafood on top, cover it and bake it.
Yeah.
Is 9/10 of your dish just in the oven covered?
No, only about half. I cook a lot of the seafood kind of a la minute at the end. That way I ensure that it's not overcooked.
I see how we do.
So one of my tricks is to cook all the seafood separately so I know that it's cooked properly, and then I'm gonna bring it onto the paella.
You're getting that fire-breathing Kitchen Stadium Dragon Bobby out today, aren't you?
The time has finally come. I take my paellas out of the pan, I pull the foil off.
Oh, looking good.
It looks fantastic. I start putting my lobster, my shrimp, my clams, my crostinis on there. I top it with a salad. Feeling pretty good.
How much time?
1 minute and 36 seconds.
Each pan gets shrimp, scallops, and squid, clams and mussels. Then I add a little lemon aioli on top and parsley.
So Bobby is serving individual portions. I think with Jose, we're seeing a big family-style paella that they're all going to share, and that's really traditional.
I think we got this in the bag.
I think so. I think we're actually going to see a good one here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
My paella has flavor and texture, but I know Jose's is gonna be unbelievable.
Now we'd like to introduce you to your judges.
First up, the chef owner of Prova Pizza Bar, Donatella Arpaia, chef and restaurateur, Madison Cowan, and the president of the James Beard Foundation, Susan Ungaro.
Judges, please start with the dish in front of you.
Crispy rice on the bottom. That's wicked, absolutely. I love the fact that the seafood is cooked properly. It could do with a bit more salt and maybe a hint of acid. Other than that, it's lovely.
I love the addition of the chorizo. It just adds that great traditional spices, but there's a complexity that's lacking a little bit when you think about paella, the layering of flavor profiles.
The seafood is perfect, and the rice is tasty and feels like the perfect paella rice. But adding the egg was probably one ingredient too many.
Judges, as you can see, our second seafood paella is served family style, so please help yourself.
This is creatively authentic and fun. It's got a depth of flavor with the squid ink, nice and briny. It's beautiful, but there's no crispiness that I find in the first dish.
I also was intrigued by the idea of the squid ink rice and the seafood, a beautiful array of choices that are not typical.
And I love the fresh salad and herbs on top. There's a lot of building and complexity of flavors in this dish, but I do wish the rice was a little bit more crispy.
And the winner is Iron Chef Flay.
Ooh.